Have you ever looked at a transparent crystal and wondered if it could be a valuable gemstone? Today, we're going to explore how experts identify high-quality gemstones using transparency, shine, hardness, and a few basic tools that beginners can use at home. First, let's understand transparency. Valuable gemstones usually allow light to pass through clearly. Stones with high transparency often appear brighter, cleaner, and more attractive. However, transparency alone does not mean a stone is precious. Many common minerals like quartz can also look very clear.
Generated with freetts.org.
One of the first things gemologists check is clarity. Clarity refers to how many internal cracks, bubbles, or inclusions are inside the stone. High-quality gemstones usually have fewer visible imperfections. For example, a clear sapphire or topaz with minimal inclusions is often worth much more than a cloudy stone. Next is luster, also called shine. Different gemstones reflect light differently. Diamonds have an extremely bright sparkle called adamantine luster, while quartz has a softer glass-like shine. If the stone reflects light intensely and sharply, it may indicate higher quality. Color is another important factor. Natural gemstones often have rich and balanced colors. For example,
Generated with freetts.org.
Deep purple in amethyst. Strong blue in sapphire. Golden yellow in topaz. Very pale or uneven colors can reduce value. Now let's talk about hardness. Professionals use the Mohs hardness scale to compare minerals. Diamonds rank at 10, making them the hardest natural material. Quartz is around 7, while topaz is 8. Harder stones resist scratches better and are usually more durable for jewelry. A simple beginner tool is a magnifying loupe. A 10x jewelry loupe helps you inspect cracks, bubbles, and crystal structure. Real gemstones usually have natural inclusions, while fake stones made of glass often contain round air bubbles. Another useful tool is a flashlight or LED light. Shine light through the stone and observe how it reacts. Valuable gemstones often show strong brilliance and internal reflections.
Generated with freetts.org.
You can also use a digital scale. Some gemstones are heavier than they look because of their density. For example, diamonds and sapphires feel heavier than quartz of the same size. A hardness testing kit can also help, but it should be used carefully. Scratching a gemstone incorrectly can damage it permanently. Another important sign is crystal shape. Natural crystals grow in specific geometric patterns. Quartz often forms hexagonal crystals, while diamonds usually form cubic or octahedral shapes.
Generated with freetts.org.
Now, let's talk about common mistakes beginners make. Many people believe that every shiny or transparent stone is valuable. This is not true. Glass, quartz, and even plastic can sometimes look similar to expensive gemstones. That's why professional testing is important before selling or buying. Heat and treatment are also important. Some gemstones are heated or dyed to improve color. Treated stones can still be beautiful, but natural untreated stones are often worth more. If you are serious about gemstone hunting, here are some beginner tools you should consider. A 10x jeweler's loupe. LED flashlight. Digital scale. Tweezers. Small storage boxes. A gemstone identification book or app. As you gain experience, you may also use professional tools like refractometers and UV lights.
Generated with freetts.org.
Finally, remember this, gemstone identification takes patience and practice. Even experts sometimes need laboratory analysis to confirm a stone's identity. The most valuable skill is learning to observe carefully, the transparency, the shine, the shape, and the details hidden inside the crystal. Because sometimes, a simple-looking stone can turn out to be a hidden treasure formed by nature over millions of years.
Generated with freetts.org.
Did you know that some countries are famous for producing the world's most beautiful gemstones? Here are 10 countries where precious gems can be found. Number 1, Brazil. Brazil is famous for amethyst, topaz, emeralds, and colorful tourmalines. Some of the largest crystals ever discovered came from Brazil. Number 2, Myanmar. Myanmar, also known as Burma, is world famous for deep red rubies called pigeon blood rubies. These stones are among the rarest and most expensive gems on earth. Number 3, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has produced sapphires for over 2,000 years. The country is especially known for blue sapphires and star sapphires. Number 4, Madagascar. Madagascar is rich in gemstones like sapphires, garnets, aquamarine, and tourmaline. Many new gem discoveries happen there every year. Number 5, Colombia. Colombia is the world's top source of high-quality emeralds. Colombian emeralds are famous for their rich green color and clarity. Number 6, Tanzania. Tanzania is home to tanzanite.
Generated with freetts.org.